Did you know a crow usually sees only with one eye? Have you noticed? And it is said this is because of Rama, Lord Rama. So, the scene is Lord Rama's father Dasharatha is dead. He goes to Indraloka. He gets a nice bedroom with a balcony view. He's sitting and having tea. Who? Dasharath. And he's remembering his beautiful daughter in law Sita, his beautiful son Rama, and missing all of them. At the balcony is perched a crow. Who is this crow? This crow is Indra's son Jayanta, who's taken the Kakasura form. And Dasharatha is telling all this story to the crow. The crow's heart does dhak dhak listening to the beauty and intelligence of Sita Mata, which Dasharath describes. So the crow flies to earth, goes to Chitrakuta, where Sita is sitting, relaxing, and Rama is lying on her lap. It is said the crow does tuck tuck to Sita Mata. She starts bleeding, matlab 1-2 drops, and that falls on Rama's face. Rama gets angry. He takes a blade of grass and turns it into an arrow. It follows the crow. It hits the crow's eye, and that's why the crow sees only with one eye. What is the second belief associated with the crow? That it should not sit on us. It is a bad omen because it sat on Sita and harmed her. And the third connection with the crow is it is our ancestors, because see, this crow belonged to the heavens, no, it came from there. So these are the three beliefs associated with the crow, which is connected to Rama. There are so many amazing stories, small stories as part of Ramayana, which are so entertaining, full of learning, and just fun in general. Do buy the Ramayana story series, which has amazing stories of various kandas in the Ramayana, which everybody can enjoy, especially children. Once you buy the Ramayana Stories edition, you get lifetime access to these videos and you can watch it anywhere, anytime. Buy the Ramayana Stories edition right now.